Hi guys, this is Mayla. I'm back with another video today. I'm here in Tennessee where I garden in zone 8A, and I am at my mother-in-law's house today, and we are going to finally hook up drip to her front shade garden bed that I just created about 3 weeks ago. I had to order some more supplies, and actually the last thing just came in today. I decided to do the inline drip emitter tubing for her and my mother's landscape, so I had to order some more of that because I used all of it at my mom's house. So we are going to get that started today. Again, I just did the same thing at my mom's house. You guys have seen that video, so I won't do much talking. This shouldn't take me long because this garden is really small. So we are going to go ahead, hook up drip, and then before we end this video, I'm going to show you what we're going to do in the fall on her side walkway on the side of her house. So let's get started. I guess I'll explain to you what I'm going to do before we get started. Her faucet is over there. We have a timer that we're going to hook up to the faucet, and then I am going to connect the distribution tubing to the timer. We will bring it down, and then once I get down, then we're going to connect the brown inline emitter tubing to the distribution tubing, and we're just going to snake it. We'll probably do about 5 or 6 rows to hit all of the plants, and then we will either end up here or end up here, just depending on how the snaking goes, how we will end up. And it shouldn't take us long at all, guys. We're going to cap it off, and then I will show you what we're going to do. Well, let's head over to her other side now. So this is the other side of my mother-in-law's garage. She has a very rocky spot right here with nothing. I think anything she's ever planted here always dies. So she wants another rose just like we have over there. So we're going to get that. Probably won't plant it until the fall, but we'll put a rose here, and we will pressure wash the brick. And then along here we have this little skinny little garden bed all along her walkway to her front door. So she's got a couple of, I don't know what this is, some hydrangeas that don't look too good, that never bloom. I think they are some macrophyllus that don't get enough water. She doesn't water any of this or fertilize it, so we're going to fertilize it really good, give it some compost. Hi, you are currently being recorded. Her camera started talking to me. Give it some compost, some fertilizer, and mulch this area. Over here she's got some caladiums that look beautiful because this is a very shady area. Her caladiums are doing well. This looks like salvia. I don't know what that is. Not sure what that is. But there's some more salvia back there. I'm surprised it's blooming over here in this shade. But we're going to take care of all of this. We're going to take care of that. And then we have this little island like garden bed. There was a Japanese, I don't know what kind of tree it was. I thought it was a Japanese maple. Whatever it is, it's been cut, and now it's like starting to sprout from the tree. You are currently being recorded. So we are going to put something here, I'm not sure, maybe some hostas to just kind of cover this up, and put something else back there leading to her backyard. There is another water hose spigot there that we can tap into to install drip to this, but that'll be later on once we do all of these garden beds over here in the fall. All right. So she has a leak with her faucet, and I can't leave the faucet turned on because it's just leaking. It's leaking really bad. So I'm gonna go ahead on and make all the connections and run the line. And I'm gonna have my husband get someone out here, or maybe he can come out here and try to fix the leak on the spout so that she can turn it on and leave the faucet on so that the timer can come on. But right now we won't be able to leave the faucet on because it'll be leaking all night long, all day and all night. So let me go ahead and run the tubing and the irrigation. We'll just leave it turned off for now. All right.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on
All right, guys, we got everything low, deep watered really, really good because we cannot turn on her drip irrigation that I just installed. And I do apologize about the cicadas. They are very loud. I will try to edit that out. But I have everything connected. I have her timer connected. I have the faucet kit. I have the splitter, the timer, the faucet kit. Then I have the distribution tubing down to there. And then I have it elbowed off. And the inline emitter tubing snaked all throughout the bed. I tried to cover it as good as I could with the mulch that's here, but we'll need more mulch. There's not enough mulch here. Like I said, I deep watered everything, so she should be good for a couple of days. She has someone that's gonna come out and check on her 2 faucets to fix the leaking issue. So then we can set the timer and she won't have to worry about this anymore. And I've already showed you guys what we're gonna do to this area right here in the fall. So I'm pretty happy with what we have accomplished today. I came out, it took me a little bit longer than I expected because we ran into the problem with the leaking. So I had called my husband and I had to call my mother-in-law here and explain to her what's going on so that she can get someone out here and fix it. She will get that done and then we will be set. But until then, I want to thank you guys for coming out to follow me today while I get my mother-in-law's property set up on drip irrigation. Even though it's not completely set up, it's all installed. We just need to turn it on once her leaking issue is fixed. I want to thank you guys for supporting me, for tuning in, for all of my videos. And if you are not subscribed and you like the content that I'm bringing, please subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment, tell me who you are, where you're from. If you want to leave me any suggestions or comments or ask me any questions, please do that in this below. Again, my name is Mayla. I'm here in Tennessee where I garden in Zone 8A. And with that, whether it is morning, afternoon, or evening when you're watching this, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of it. Bye, guys.